Our girlfriend has 10 glue guns. 10 glue guns, all different, and she uses each and every one. Turns out an arsenal of glue guns might be truly helpful, and if we're serious about our crafting, and we are, it sounds like we need to know more. Darcie Liptrot is here to clue us in with her sun-kissed skin and her bright, sunny personality. You have 10 glue guns?
Well, I feel like, yes, first of all, 100%. I am always looking for a new glue gun, and I feel like if you're gonna ask me why do you have 10 glue guns, I'm gonna ask you, why do you have 10 pairs of pants? Like, we need glue. Glue holds our lives together.
Glue holds the world together.
It's the fabric that holds our lives together, right?
Do you name them?
Well, sometimes, like I do have one that we call Gluey Vuitton.
Gluey Vuitton.
Because it is like the Rolls Royce of glue guns.
Do we get to meet her today?
Yes,
so
yes.
Are these different glue guns for different projects, or are these just a cute, colorful collection, or what's your approach to your glue gun arsenal?
You're right, awesome question. No, these are actually needed. Like, they're for different projects. They're for different things that you may get into. You know, of course, we're all a little bit of jack of all trades when you're in the craft world, right?
Sure,
but
sure.
We have specific tools for specific needs.
Okay.
And just like in regular tool work.
We have needs.
We have needs.
A crafter has needs.
Not just desires.
Let's check the box. You're going to show us a few of your favorites. You like the Rechargeable by WESTCOTT. Where's that lady?
I love the Rechargeable by WESTCOTT. This is Gluey Vuitton, as my son lovingly calls it.
Right here?
Yep. And why this is so amazing as we tip things down. But
Can
this
I hold
is
her?
Yes.
Okay.
You have to. Like, first of all, feel that. Feel that, right?
Feels good, yeah.
It's good. It is, you turn it on here, so you just do this, and it turns on. It is powered by a lithium battery, so like a Tesla-style battery. Yeah.
This is the Tesla of glue guns.
Glue guns, yes.
You heard it here.
This will heat up in 20 seconds.
Oh, no way. No way.
But you're going to get a cordless charge on this bad boy for 2 hours. Like, you can rock your glue gun world for as long as you need to. There's not going to be hassling with a cord. You're not going to have to set it back in its carriage to keep it charged.
Okay.
When you do set it in the carriage, it starts the red light again, and that just means like you can't glue while charging normal, right? And then when you take it out, glue to your heart's desire.
This is the splurge, $80, but you say worth every dollar.
Yep, $80. You can sometimes get this on sale at Sam's Club for $20.
Hello.
So watch for that sale because it's 100% worth it.
Okay.
But if you just need it, grab that coupon, run down to Joann's and go to town for that one. It is worth the investment.
Normal glue.
Normal
regular glue sticks.
Yeah, regular glue sticks.
Okay, you have
all of them.
You have one that's really great for working with silk flowers.
That's this. Okay, so this is the SUREBONDER. It's the Skillet glue.
Oh.
So it's obviously in this great skillet.
I didn't know you could get a skillet version.
You need it.
I do.
You need it in your life, especially if you love floral arrangements.
Well, I do.
Because, like, so say you're doing this wreath, you're just gonna pop your flower off, and this isn't fully melted. These are glue pellets. You get these from SUREBONDER. They're legit glue. It's like so good.
Okay.
And then when the glue's melted, you just swirl it around and smack it on.
You dip and smack. It's the dip and smack.
It's so convenient. It comes in 2 sizes. So the Pro Skillet, that's this one here.
Yeah.
Like, this makes all my dreams come true when I'm doing all those arrangements that I love.
Yes.
And then you've got a mini skillet, and it's just easy. It's portable.
Nice.
Like, you can take it here and there. It does plug in. It's not cordless.
I have no idea. Show me the glue pen,
so,
Darcie.
Do you love a glue pen?
Well, I didn't know there was one until today.
This is on. You can see a little bit of drip, but look, I can touch it because it's like not that hot. It's a low heat.
Okay.
So this is ideal for like after you've taught them glue gun safety, right? Like your kid, right? So then you just take this, you turn it on, and you go to town, and it just like is a more intricate glue.
It's that fine line.
Yep, it's a fine line. You push it, it kind of ratchets it out, and you just can glue. More intricate gluing is what I love this for. And because it's low heat, it just feels really good when I want the kids around or nieces and nephews to just play with a glue gun. I feel more confident in this one.
Right.
and it's easy to hold.
But you're right, for those intricate little, I had no idea we could talk about glue guns for so long. We got to pick up our pace.
I know, right? It's just so exciting.
The wax seal glue gun.
Okay, so this is super, super fun. You can see this. This is just a wax glue gun. You get wax glue sticks with these. Check those out. And so you know those like seals that you want to put on everything?
The fancy schmancy envelope.
Like you can just hit it and it's going to pile out. And look, it piles out and it's like a glorious dot. And then you take your stamp, you know, and you set it there.
I want to get into this.
And just set it there for like a minute.
I want to pretend I live in Downton Abbey and just wax seal all of my thank you cards.
And this like modernizes the wax seal. It makes it a little bit easier. If you've got those grad announcements, you can totally go to town.
Look at that.
And then of course it pulls off and bam.
The foam stick from SUREBONDER. What do we love about that?
So the reason why I love the foam stick is because it is kind of amazing for foam things. You know those carrots we did the other day?
Yes.
So that's what I used this foam stick for.
And by the other day, you mean 3 months ago?
Was it that long?
Yeah,
I mean,
well,
it's been a minute.
It's fine.
That's okay.
Yeah.
So that's what you use those for. That's what I glued the tops on with. I glued the rope around the side. It will not like dissolve your foam. And that's so helpful if you're a crafter.
There's a thumb-fed trigger glue gun that made your list.
So the reason why this made the list is because number one, $3. $3? Under $3 actually, $2.78.
Okay.
And what I love about it is like as we age, I am 45.
Celebrate it.
Love it.
Woo!
But what happens is after you've crafted for years and years and years, you get arthritis, right? Like your hands start to hurt. Well, this is ergonomically correct. It's easy to use. It's thumb fed.
Okay.
So like, don't give up your crafting dreams. Like just get stuff to, just get a glue gun that fits your needs.
All right, there's a cordless budget glue gun.
Yeah, we have cordless budgets. They're over here on this podium. And what we love about that is you can still experience the luxury of the WESTCOTT on a budget. You just have to put it back in the stand, you know, after every use so that it stays heated. But it's great because there's no cord to mess with.
Okay, 30 seconds. A few fun accessories for your glue gun.
So glue comes in like all shapes and sizes and textures and strengths, and that's what is so great about it because you can get it in rope style if you don't want to keep feeding.
Okay.
But it comes in all colors. You can get glitter. Glow-in-the-dark glue gun sticks.
Glow-in-the-dark glue gun sticks?
Like, why do we need them? I don't care.
Finger guards?
Finger guards, stuff to catch the glue as it drips off your glue.
This is fun.
Fabric glue, which is amazing if you want to fuse your fabric together. You know, that is just super
And
legit.
there's a stick for that, the fabric stick.
It's a fabric stick.
I had no idea. I've been hosting this show for a minute in Darcie time, and this is all new to me, so this is really exciting. Darcie, thank you so much.
It's good.
What fun summer projects do you have coming up in the next little bit?
So many good summer projects.
Yeah.
And a lot of them involve these glue guns, which is good. But you could just hit me up on Instagram at Darcie Does Stuff.
All right, Darcie Does Stuff. Make sure she's on your radar, on your feed. Thank you so much. Who knew?
Right.
A glue gun for every job.
Go get your gun.
Yes, we're just gonna leave it there. We're just gonna leave it there. All right, love you, Darcie.